All right, Busia for Yamishra Bibia. So, Odu Parliament House, Busia, Parliament House, yes, Papa. Abusia Mubakaya, President John Dramani Mahama winning election na. Yedine susu ye na. The first thing I hear and say, what sanitary pad, Emma, SHS and Kola. Or chere say, Omubi Bri, any scam, the better pad in tea. What sanitary pad among Colana. Abusia, and finance minister eba parliament. Eddie 2026 budget aba. Na ni sema wo kan say. O see, pad na President John Dramani Mahama echiche no. Baku eye 45 Ghana cedis. Abusia, eho, and na minority, and I said the MPP in parliament, line. Abusia, anya bia pad no muto we hina pad baku ye 45 Ghana cedis. Ebra mwankasa moko churo mu Facebook account say pad nekra pad 15 cedis. The any boy de crado 20 Ghana. But inti mu dema ene amuba parliament ebe catch the Ghana for say pad na mu chichema nkola no baku 45 Ghana cedis. Abusia nanya asem ketwa insem na dolls papa. Abusia for muma yenko na yenko tie eko MP for Tafo yenti ni nsem a odi tuja na yembra na yeba yebeto as yamshira nyina.
78 to promote gender equality in education and reduce absenteeism. 6.6 million packs of sanitary pads were distributed to girls in public basic schools. Mr. Speaker, assuming without admitting that the allocation was not changed, 292 million Ghana cedis indeed was used to purchase the 6.6 million pads that they said they have distributed. A simple calculation will tell you that one pad is 45 Ghana cedis. Mr. Speaker, I have in my hands here a publication that was made by the Ministry of Finance. Mr. Speaker, the Ministry of Finance posted this on their Facebook wall. They said that sanitary pads has reduced from 25 Ghana cedis to 15 Ghana cedis. According to their own words, if indeed sanitary pad is now 15 Ghana cedis, why are they now accounting to the people of Ghana that one sanitary pad is 45 Ghana cedis? This is a trouble government. The point is that I have given a basis in their own budget, their 2025 budget and the 2026 budget. And you are telling the people of Ghana that you are using 292 million Ghana cedis to purchase 6.6 million Ghana cedis. How do you tell me that the argument that I'm making here is baseless? Mr. Speaker, it is true and it is a fact that in this budget, in their own budget, they have used 292 million Ghana cedis to purchase 6.6 million parts. And I'm saying that a simple calculation of this figure tells you that one part is 45 Ghana cedis. Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, this is a publication. Mr. Speaker, this is a publication from Wezo. It says that the price of Eii sanitary pad, which was 25 Ghana cedis in January, is now going for 15 Ghana cedis. Now 15 Ghana cedis, they are buying it for 45 Ghana cedis. Mr. You move to Malata market and a single pad is 15 Ghana cedis. How do you suggest to me that if you are buying it on wholesale, it will even be 15 Ghana cedis? That is less economies of scale. You don't need a soothsayer to tell you this. You don't need an economist to suggest this to you. So I am saying that, Mr. Speaker, as far as their own documents are concerned, this is an overspending government. This is a wasteful government. It's a trouble government. It's a government that has failed the people of Ghana. It's a government that has failed the people of Ghana, and we did not expect this kind of budget from them.
Let me now.
All right, Abuja, Penya Mutsen and Cassiano. On no MP for Tafo, Old Tafo visits Echo. Abuja, na NDC Fuan Casano. I say a win chronobono yedia warm. Because Abusia your Ghana has it. Obianim sanitary pad. The price of sanitary pad will come. Obia be ko baby abiano yenim. Mu ankasa skran wa ko churo mu Facebook so say Nana do time na sanitary pad 20 Ghana ma mu abano. Na sanitary pad is here turn 15 cedis. Now every government be say okoto sa niam na in a that large quantity na. Abusia ye nyina ye nim say ombeto no wholesale price. So, but this NDC because of corona burning omutim na edent no. Omusi debi omu to sa pad no 45 good cedis. Abusia na ene enya asem ketwa na enya boy pe ena si wo parliament ho ene ebusiafo sisi amene ukasei ukọ seshi we are so a Zipline na do dan gwagu ado ne Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia eye a ebo Ghana fo se obi yare ewo baby ye yan moja Zipline we na deliver sa moja no within so shortest period of time se obi epedra within some short period of time, this Zipline and delivers any amount. It's because of Nana Don Kwakufado and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia or my drip power or Mama Ghana. Am I? And then sit on the side share and buy. But and now Menuka say, Abusia, ya close it down, Zipline, you sent to me to Mabium. President John Dramani Mahama in the end is I close it down. Yes, Zipline now a year Juma for 8 good years. For 8 good years, Zipline we a blank of Sisi amino kase abusia sa bedu emirika na se nkola no control BC wasi ne nana ye the Zipline we deliver on papers ma mu intentem se na be obi abetima start exam no this now initiative policy we NDC for amaba within 10 months no o ma close down sa you know into question and say are we resetting the country? Is it the country? President John Dramani Mahama promising Ghana for so baba resetting. And I say, a ye cronbo a we timudin na umba bebo Ghana for. And intina, and now I'm no say, ya close it down, sir. Session you are so Zipline delivery service no. Abusia, and Asem ketwa. Mama enko Parliament House. Na yembra. Na insem no very sad as a country say better na kuemu na niama we koso say and we have pastors, we have religious leaders oma yedin omu nim say bibi say ekoso ankana na do dan kwago fa do tam na de we asia emetia ade e beti okrom ha no enya asem ketwa but because of or say omu darling boy na omu nipa na omu say omu brand nipa na ba nti oma yedin. The
principles of the budget. You didn't talk about blood, the lifeline of the human and the lifeline of this country. Mr. Speaker, today I say and I tender in this document that Zipline is decommissioning 4 of its centers. 3 of its centers. Center 4, Center 5, and then Center 6. What does this mean? There has been non-engagement. And also inability for government to provide funds for Zipline. Mr. Speaker, the allocation this year was 20 million, knowing very well that you owe Zipline as of now 175 million. Mr. Speaker, what this means is that as this letter says, they are shutting down these 3 centers. The Enum Center supplies the whole of Volta region. It supplies part of Eastern region and the Afran Plains. Mr. Speaker, they are also shutting down with the Western North, Seshi. The minister's own backyard, Seshi, we also distribution center. That means that they are not supplying blood, medicines, vaccines to the whole Western North, part of Western region, part of Central region, Ashanti region, Ahafo, Bono. Mr. Speaker, they are also shutting down effective today, Table Office, the Kachi Distribution Center. And that means that Kachi, part of Savannah, and also East Afran Plains. Effective today, people are going to die needlessly of shortage of blood, medication, vaccines. Mr. Speaker, the reason why they are shutting down is because of the lack of funding. The resetting has made sure that there's no funding to the Zipline entity. The resetting has made sure that these people are not supposed to provide services, and for that matter, Zipline is best described as a comatose entity needing resuscitation, and that resuscitation they need for themselves is actually l'argent, money. They are not being given. Mr. Speaker, this news is terrifying to the ordinary person living in remote areas in this country. Mr. Speaker, as a matter of fact, we must do something urgently about it because the shutdown starts today. And this is not right. Something should have been done and something should have been mentioned of it in the principles of this budget. But that is not so. And I hope the minister will do something about this because life lost, especially a lot of emergencies that we have. Maternal death is all related to lack of blood and blood-related products. So this letter that is saying that you have not engaged them, and for that matter, they are shutting down, is worrying. And it is addressed to the Minister of Health, Mr. Speaker.
But send this for po, omupekura, omuyije mensa, omumfa Eii Are MAHAMA nsa MAEC che. Omumfa eye esidu nketia MAEC che. Omumfa Julius Debra MAEC che. Omumfa Agric Minister Kopoku MAEC che. Ghana for decide wi. Ghana for beto about 2028. Omupa omunkanje say ye maami lodi na MAHAMA emra MAEC che. Enne ye to aba Ghana for decide wi so beto TNDC. Enne ye clear enye me na meka cho because kwa abonte ankofo ka mo se ye nu ye ho. Enkofo na dada e NDC for the ntro ene nada ene omutwa ntro na Akufo-Addo aban ene Akufo-Addo ene Achem ene hwanhwan ene ye omu disika ede na esi ene ebesi sam no omo baaye omo nneoma omo ka kire ye se owura wate ho asem bi ewe ayira omo ka kire se sika MPP aban nkofo omo wa ban mu awia no se ye ka se ye deji a ye gigi se sika na ebetimi aboga na ho bra nyina enye sa no mukache se betima bogana ho bra nyina enti ade nti no mo ngi se sika no na nne omo se kope bosia foforo de akoto aircraft ne ho nioma wa bra ye wo sika ne bi wo ye ho samusi ye wia anase samusi NPP fo awia mo ngi se sika no ne yemfa nkoto sa nioma enti andi si aban de Ghana fo decide na woni mu nkofo mo ye omo ebuafu e wo NDC aban because of appointment appointment in my obi sukura wo wa bo party no ka wa ye t-shirt de ma party no ama ne party na baaban mu party na baaban mu party ne baaban mu the person has been neglected yen kai no ewi echire Mustafa Banda we deputy general secretary akoti na wo say every month bia no ye esika free presidency back constituency which is 20,000 and then me no ka say polling station for omo ye NDC for omo kan say branch ye na kan polling station branch executives omo ye NDC for omo tina pick up to the entire ya me use pick up to nyina ye say me wo ko me kurom kwapon uko mekrum sankware uko nakete uko nsenua uko chenchensi boso ho wuntimi mfa V8 ni nkwane na ho eye moto na pick up na 42 na mo ja koye campaign ama Eii Are Kopoku abaweni aba na abaye Agric Minister na obaye Agric Minister wi a wa neglect wo mo aban no Ghana fo mo wadwena wi enti isi che me ba ho no isi che je mensa de ebe yo ankasa me won prepare ne handing over note okay na opo Eii Are for boni asabe chief justice ne de abeko the likelihood so abeko na yet is obi oda emergency ward oye there
na wajimi adenti aba meka sa ne say wo se ne sem na no oka ne nyina no oka finance minister na nyambia Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wonna na ye finance minister na ana na atohye minim senka we sa atoro ne ade ne sesi atwam first part na ebia obi ti na class you no radio kitwa bi enti wo kasem bi na se ono wote wo radio ni so a inse se obeba be kire o tibi me kire na dwene because of say onya sa opportunity no ebia wo akra na nipa de hye ba bi ti say be kwai obey de no timi aba akra hon ma ba be reply but enay die because of TikTok ada romanti se wo kan semfo a ye de semfo be hia wo twa ntora ye de no kreba be yiwa no ne sem na wo kan anyem bia no me bisa say minister oyade oye na dwuma wi a o report to the ma vice president yana ana economy na ye kan economy no na ni nyina ne currency ni nyina ni sika na ekuta ye na na to shi dwene hunhunu say case economy na friend say agric minister onu na hold big responsibility on economy because owo sika na say aduane ni fi a ekwam de wa wontimi ni sika ne me wa edan ya wo besie so hwe Abraham Maslow theory na sika mamu baabia sika nka baabia but wo begina wono ma ana dollar ne ba fom no na ye maame mu kodwa so ne ye twade anase ne ye twade dollar ne ba ye na dollar ne ba fom no fertilizer na ye cash na do kwa ka say mo fa nkonko makuafo no a mo anfa nko no eno no na ye Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ne ka say me mfa nko ana na so abra champo be ka say fertilizer ne nyoma na wo na wo hwe so na ye Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ne be kan ya na chemicals na ye ka say mfa nko ma farmers na anko no eno Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na ye ka say me mfa nko ana naka wodi sa chemicals ne koi ana sa farmer no nya friends chemicals no ana odi gu anuaba ne so ana ka ma anuaba no so do so a eka ema economy no enko so ana eka ema duane ma o man ni mu ana ye ma me no wodi yawo ne kasa yawo wodi kasa nyina ne say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia amfa ne say vice president da wo no ye de to kese ena ekwakope vice president ya anka ye papa John Dramani Mahama anka de ne yiri ebe vice president ke de to kese ne pe vice president ya anka ye papa John Dramani Mahama de ne yiri ye maame anka de be vice president
otunu ko akoye tunu
wodi ameba so wo ho wodi ye chemicals farmer na wo ho no na ntwidam bo aye di nyina na atoshi akukọ na mo ani boy ye di nyina ye na atoshi edi enti na ma mekasa chemicals na no farmer no hia sai nuro no a wodi be feed poultry no e ma yare no ntime nche wo mo wo koton wo ni bre chapo koton di eno na mo market de Japan 500 million eno sai sika ni bia na to shuka se nipa jimia na a wo sa be gina ho no ma sa be to ayampia se asantefo kra de mo nte block ese ne yu na masante mem o si asantefo nte block o ko en block na wo keka wasem na wo kan wo ne friends na wo kan wo radio ni so no anase na wo kan TV station na ye block na wo kan anase na wo katwi mu se wo yale wa bodam to na ye enduro na de wo to no afa wa dwinim tie mo wa yale na wo gina wona Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ana Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia sikana ya hata se sikana ya hata na se nipa wo hodomo na se obenya duane de odi sikana ye de ha odi dollar ni ye de carpenter ni na wo kwakoto na do no onim dollar ha onim dollar anya na se gara ye currency ye dollar na se cedis na delegate na ododo se na ehu dollar da awu koya na ye dollar na ye hata ye do ene aburo olonka esei na olonka de kra aburo na kwa ye to ana na to shi ubai na ube na na do ma appointment na 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 do bo wa baso no de pa na wo ye bo a NPP fu a me ye NPP ni me de me sabe si me bo aka se na to she na to shi su na me nya ade we de ba de na wo ye bo aye ede ba de pa na wo ye bo aye ade obi a wo ye delegate ni betimi aka se enam na to shi so na me nya asa ade we eti be bo na to shi din akasem ede ba de ana wo ba be kana sika na ye hata economy no eno ani sika na na do dan kwa for the time na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na ye finance minister na even say no ani sika Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia on na ye finance minister na what to say you see ye freken oforiata no ya ka said Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia nam Ghana ho ade na ye nchi Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ni ye njai finance minister if say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ene ma sika na ye hata ye nchi Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Adentina yenchi Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na ye kwa finance minister because Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia o Ghana ho finance minister de US yenti bi fa plane konkoche no enti doctor de o Ghana ho ade na yenchi